All right, 5:14 and now turning to days of unrelenting heavy rain and storms responsible for severe flooding across Kentucky and Tennessee. Now, several rivers have reached near record levels, causing them to spill over, and cities across the two-state ordered evacuation sent rescue crews and inflatable boats to check on residents. Jeff Quammen calls Frankfort home, and while the city has suffered flooding several times in the past, he says this case is one of the worst he's ever seen.
You're used to seeing storms last a couple days if it's a bad storm, a day or two, but this was 6 straight days of heavy torrential downpour. And again, with already saturated ground, there's just nowhere for it to go. And so it's got to go up. And it did. And it did.
On Monday, hundreds of roads were still closed off and over 1,000 people were left without access to water.